Team is one of the most important topic. You see, if we talk about the team topic, PMI call it resource. So in general, resource is four type: manpower, machinery, money, material, right? And we have a plan that manage actually resources, resource management plan. So how to acquire the resources, how to develop the resources, how to manage and how to control the resources. The first and most important thing is how to acquire the resources. So when I'm talking about acquiring the resources, it simply mean I want to hire those resources. So when I'm hiring the resources, let me take a step back. I need to know what type of skills are needed. So for any project, if it's a civil project, you need certain type of people there, engineers, labor, staff, and then even them, you need different level of skills. For example, if you need a driver, a truck driver and a Vigo driver is a different. Like I can drive this car, like CRV. I cannot drive a truck. I cannot drive crane. So different skills are needed. So you identify what skills are needed. You identify, do you need virtual team and physical team. It's an important thing. And at the start of the project, we need to decide, do we want physical resources or do we want virtual resources? Both are important, both have their advantages, both have their disadvantages. So what are the advantages? For example, for physical resources, I can have a better communication. I can immediately build rapport. There's a problem, even you are at a site. I have done that in a physical team. Like at 10 p.m. we have a meeting, we resolve the issue immediately. That's the benefit of our physical resources. Right? There is no technology problem. You can have a face-to-face meeting. But then there are challenging of our physical team. There's a cultural challenges. Ramadan is there. Muslim have to pray. Their time is fixed, and similarly, other culture, other religions will have that. So you also need to arrange for the food. Even if the company does not provide food, transportation, the company need to make sure that is available. Otherwise, the team will suffer. Right? That's an important. Then the toilet and so many things they need to do for physical team. And of course, then people can get fight because of religious culture things. So there's an advantage and disadvantages. Then virtual team has its advantages. It's cost effective. You can get the best resource from all over the world with a very less fee as compared to physical. You do not need to arrange the food, the transportation, all those things. It's not needed. And virtual teams, you can even record the meetings and do those things. So virtual has its benefit. So you identify, do you need physical or virtual team? And let's say for now, I say you go for a hybrid team. Now I have a hybrid team in my project. I have decided I'm gonna go with the hybrid team, which combine the benefit of both physical as well as virtual team in the project, right?